Hi, and welcome to Industry Update, your source for the latest news in the ad specialty industry. I'm Dave Vagnoni. In this episode, consumer privacy becomes an issue in Colorado, and a new supplier buys a 34-year-old company. But we begin with potential changes in how the government regulates sunscreen. As soon as this fall, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration could implement new guidelines for retail and promotional sunscreen. Updating rules have been in place since 1978. If approved, the new standards would prevent misleading labeling while also creating a rating system to measure a sunscreen's effectiveness against ultraviolet A rays. The FDA is also considering approving several new sunscreen ingredients that have been used in Europe to protect against the sun. If the regulations change, new sunscreen formulas could be on the market by the summer of 2012. In other news, the Direct Marketing Association has filed a lawsuit against the state of Colorado over an internet sales tax law. The DMA claims the law discriminates against interstate commerce because it forces non-Colorado companies to reveal customer records, including payment histories, if they don't collect sales tax. Similar laws are being considered by legislators in other states, including Tennessee and California. We continue now with a deal between suppliers as New York-based Premium Promo USA has acquired New Products International. Per the deal, Premium Promo will now exclusively offer the NPI brand, including its patented Hawk line products and brands like Citizen, Pulsar, and Movado. The deal also means New Products International will close its doors after being founded in 1976. Finally this week, we give you the latest of several previews of Counselor's State of the Industry report. Today we highlight how distributors found new business in 2009. Leading the way, referrals, which created nearly 90% of all reported new business. Networking finished second with 49%, followed by cold calls, internet-based work, direct mail, and trade shows. Remember, for the latest industry news and videos, check out Counselor Promogram and keep track of trends, happenings, and research on our ASI Central Facebook page and through Twitter. We hope you'll join us again next week. Until then, for Industry Update, I'm Dave Vagnoni. Have a great day.